Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about the Probation Law of 1976 and its amendments.
What is probation law?
It is a law that allows a court to place a convicted offender on probation. This means that the execution of the sentence is suspended, and the offender is given conditions that they must follow during a specified period.
What offenses are eligible for probation?
The law covers probationable offenses, which include those that carry a maximum penalty of 6 years of imprisonment or less. However, certain offenses, such as those that involve national security or public safety, are not eligible for probation.
How does an offender apply for probation, and when should they apply?
An offender must apply for probation within a certain period after the sentence has been pronounced. The application must be made within the period for perfecting an appeal. If the defendant has already perfected the appeal from the judgment of conviction, no application for probation can be entertained or granted.
Once na mag-apply ka na for probation, waive na yung right mo to appeal. Ano ibig sabihin ng waive na yun? Bye-bye. Waive. Hindi ka na pwede mag-apply. Nag-apply ka na ng probation eh. Yun ang pinili mo eh. Okay? Paano ito kung nag-apply ako? Pwede pa magbago isip ko? Probation na lang ako? Waive na rin yung right mo. Kaya kailangan mamili ka. Isa lang. Stick to one ka lang.
What happens if an offender violates the conditions of their probation?
If an offender violates the conditions of their probation, the court can revoke the probation and execute the sentence. The law outlines the grounds for revocation of probation and the procedure for its revocation.
What are the amendments made to the Probation Law of 1976?
Republic Act No. 10707 amended the Probation Law of 1976 and took effect on July 18, 2013. The amendment allows a trial court to grant probation to a defendant who has been convicted and sentenced to a probationable penalty upon the defendant's application within the period for perfecting an appeal. However, no application for probation can be entertained or granted if the defendant has already perfected the appeal from the judgment of conviction, provided that when a judgment of conviction imposing a non-probationable penalty is appealed or reviewed, and such judgment is modified through the imposition of a probationable penalty, the defendant shall be allowed to apply for probation based on the modified decision before such decision becomes final. Overall, the Probation Law of 1976, as amended by Republic Act No. 10707, provides a way for offenders to rehabilitate themselves and become productive members of society while also reducing the burden on the criminal justice system. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any suggestions for future topics, please let us know in the comments below. See you in the next video.